The day begins with the preparation of the truck. The AI agent, which is part of the Mutualism AI cockpit, automatically loads today's route and checks the vehicle's status.
Good morning. I've set today's route in your navigation. All vehicle systems look good. No warnings detected.
To avoid distraction during challenging driving conditions, the AI agent delays non-critical notifications until the vehicle is safely done merging.
You have a new message from the dispatcher. Would you like me to read it?
Yes, please.
You have a notification that the loading gate has changed from Gate A to Gate B. Would you like to reply?
Yes. Reply, understood. Heading to Gate B.
I've sent the message. Understood. Heading to Gate B.
The AI agent summarizes long messages and supports safe, hands-free communication. Construction zones and sudden slowdowns pose significant safety risks when not anticipated. The AI agent detects hazards long before they become visible and alerts the driver.
The right lane will be closed in 3 kilometers and traffic is slowing. Please reduce your speed and prepare to merge to the left.
Got it.
When provided, these early warnings help prevent sudden braking and rear-end collisions.
The distance between you and the vehicle ahead is currently too short. For your safety, please increase the following distance.
Understood.
At the delivery facility, the AI agent provides clear guidance on gates, routing, and check-in procedures.
You will arrive at your first destination shortly. After entering the loading area, Gate B will be immediately on your right. Please follow the yellow line.
How should I check in?
Please scan the QR code on your delivery slip at the reception desk.
Is there a speed limit?
In the loading area, the speed is limited to 10 kilometers per hour.
With clear guidance, on-site operations become safer and more efficient. Later in the day, the AI agent detects an early mechanical issue.
Your front left tire pressure is dropped by 15%. Underinflation at the current level can reduce your fuel economy and, if unresolved, can lead to dangerous driving conditions. There is a rest area 3 kilometers ahead. Would you like to go there?
Yes, guide me.
Would you like me to request a mobile tire service?
Yes.
Understood. Contacting the mobile tire service.
On the return route, the AI agent identifies unexpected congestion. Since the driver has not taken a break so far in their trip, now would be an optimal time to do so.
An accident 10 kilometers ahead is causing a 20-minute delay. No detour is available. There's a service area 5 kilometers ahead, and if you are feeling tired, now would be an optimal time to take a break. Would you like me to navigate you there?
Yes, take me there.
Monitoring regulatory compliance is essential for long-haul drivers.
Your driving time is approaching 10 hours. There's a truck parking area with sleeper facilities 5 kilometers ahead. Would you like to stop there?
How much longer can I drive?
Under Canadian regulations, you must take an 8-hour rest before reaching 13 hours of total driving time. You have 3 hours remaining.
Understood. Take me there.
The AI agent helps drivers stay both safe and compliant. At the end of the day, the AI agent provides a clear summary of the trip.
Here's your driving report. Total driving time, 10 hours and 30 minutes. Distance driven, 794 kilometers. Fuel efficiency, 7.8 kilometers per liter. You achieved the best fuel savings so far this month. Keep up the great work.
Great. Thank you.
From morning departure to end-of-day rest, the AI agent enhances awareness, safety, and operational confidence throughout the journey. Mutualism AI Cockpit, providing intelligent assistance for truck drivers.